Crepes with ice cream is a delightful combination of warm, thin pancakes and cold, creamy ice cream. Here is a simple recipe to make this delicious treat at home. First, gather your ingredients for the crepes. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1½ cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. For the filling, you'll need your favorite ice cream and optional toppings such as chocolate sauce, fresh berries, or whipped cream. To begin, mix the flour, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, and melted butter. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring continuously until you have a smooth batter. Let the batter rest for at least 30 minutes. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter. Pour a small amount of batter into the skillet, tilting it to spread the batter evenly into a thin layer. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to lift and the bottom is golden brown. Then flip and cook the other side for another minute. Repeat with the remaining batter. Once your crepes are ready, it's time to assemble the dessert. Place a scoop of your favorite ice cream in the center of each crepe. Fold the crepe over the ice cream to create a cone or roll it up. Add optional toppings such as chocolate sauce, fresh berries, or whipped cream for extra flavor and presentation.